In today's video, I'm going to be explaining various ways in which you can earn from seed. I don't know if you know what seed is. Seed is an airdrop. I believe that the airdrop is going to make us good money. It's going to be listening on November. I know airdrop has really made a lot of people money, and also airdrop has also wasted a lot of people's time. So the category you fall in depends on the project that you did, you get. So I'm going to just go on the folder of my airdrop. Remember, what we are discussing today is seed. Yes, a potential airdrop that will be listening on November. And the way I see that seed, man, is going to cook. When I say it's going to cook, is going to cook. So if you haven't started mining seed yet, I'll be leaving a link in the description box or in the comment section. So let's look for the airdrop. This particular airdrop, wait, let me show you guys this lucky rabbit. I don't want to laugh, but if you just drop your opinion about this airdrop in the comment section. Those that paid the tone fee, it's a pity. Sorry, let me not talk rubbish, let me not badmouth any projects. Let's go and do what we came here for first. So I'm just okay, this is the airdrop seed. Okay, so click on play. So I'm going to be explaining everything about this airdrop, ways that you can earn, their ways, guideline of allocating tokens and everything. I'm going to be talking about it in this particular video. So if you're mining it, stay with us. If you're not mining it, link is in the description box. It's early, it's not late for you to start. It's going to be listing on November, so you have October, a whole month to join. So here we are on the airdrop. As you can see, I have only 20.38 seeds. So a lot of people think that the only way that you can earn from this particular airdrop is by referring friends, which is not true. So I'm going to be showing you guys that I think it's only one person that I've invited. Let me open it. Okay, as you can see, invite a friend, you both get 2 seats and 10% of your friend's reward. If the person is Telegram premium, the person you both get 10 seats and 20% of the your friend's reward. So as you can see, I have only invited one person. So my remaining tone what did I say my remaining seed balance is from task and hunting. Calm down, I'm going to be explaining it now. So when I first joined this airdrop, here, as you can see here, hold on, not this, here, so you see this thing here, it's worm. This worm, you use it to feed your bed, or you can sell it. You get, let me explain. I know it's going to look like I'm talking trash. Calm down, don't rush. So if you go here now, if you click on this place now, this thing that looks like house, so you're going to see the things, owned items, the things that you own. So when I first joined this airdrop, I got one worm, one egg. As you can see here, this side is egg, one egg. If you don't have this, you can actually buy with your seed balance, or you can wait for timing. Like there is a timing that they used to do it, and they will give you another worm, you get. So when I first opened the airdrop, I think somewhere around here I saw the egg, then here I saw the worm. So when I clicked on the egg, I was able to hatch this particular bird that I use for hunting. You see this bird now, this bed. I use it for hunting. So let me click on it now. Let me explain more. Let me shift this thing here. Okay, so once you click on the bed now, you see that this plate is empty. Assuming that I have worm, I'm going to feed this bed. Then here is for you to make the bed happy by tapping on the bed. As you can see, it's increasing to, okay, 100%. You say your bed is happy. So if I have worm now, here this thing that is showing question mark, I'm going to feed the bed. Then you click on start hunting. It says you won't get maximum profit if you don't meet all the hunting criteria for the bed. I will just click on start. So it says the bed is hunting now. It says the bed is hunting. As you can see here, now, after 11 hours, I'm going to come back here and open this gift. It's going to give me seed. The amount of seed I get depends on these characterias that you are seeing here. I don't know why I'm clicking on this part. The amount of seed I'll get is going to depend on these characterias you see here. If all of them is complete, like this one is 100 over 100, and this 100 over 100, and also this 2 over 2, which is feeding the bed, my seed point is going to increase. I'll be getting like 3 seeds depending. But since it's not complete, I might be getting like 1 or 0.58. It depends. So this is number one way to earn this airdrop, which is hunting. You get. Then another way is to earn by task. You get, by task. So as you can see, here is the login daily. You log in daily and you claim seeds here. Login daily. So every day you come here, you click on start. Once you click on start, it's loading. So as you can see, you'll be earning you see, first day 0.1, second day 0.2, third day 0.3, and on the 7th day you're going to be getting 1 seed, and also you'll be getting claiming tickets. Yeah, stake bonus. Then the next thing is task. If you can, anyone, you just scroll down and choose the one you can do. It says boost seeds blossom. This one is going to give you plus 10 seeds. Here, watch YouTube video. It's going to give you 0.5 seeds. Invite 3 friends, you're going to get 5 seeds. Then retweet seed news. This one is on X. You're going to do this one on X. You get 0.5 seeds. And also, like, see the tags and everything. And here are the ones I've completed. Subscribe to their Telegram, I got 1 seed. Subscribe to their YouTube, I got 1 seed. Follow them on X, 1 seed. Post story on Telegram, 0.5 seed. Join major channel, 0. And this particular one, add seed to your name. This one is adding this seed, the name, like this thing here. And it's one of the points that they use to allocate tokens. This thing, adding this to your Telegram name, they're going to give you 2 seeds for doing that. Let me explain what I mean. That is going to be one of the criteria for this distributing tokens. So if you go to airdrops now, you see the point. Just like hamster, those that did hamster, they use keys, profit per hour, referrals, achievements, and everything. This one also have their own guidelines. As you can see, their points for allocating tokens, you see seed income, which includes farming, earn and bird hunt. Bird hunt, that one that I just explained, feed your bird and click on hunt, is going to hunt seeds for you. Then your friends, the number of people you invited to join this particular airdrop, your achievements, seed subscription, and add seed to your name. That thing that I mentioned just now, like, just all you just need to do is very simple. Copy this copy this copy this, add it to your telegram name, just add it by the side, and you come and claim your seed. Also, just leave it there. It's going to be one of the points that they will use to allocate uh their tokens to you. So I think I've mentioned everything on how you can earn this particular airdrop. So as you can see, it's not only by referral. I've just referred like one person. So you see what I've earned is not much. I recently joined this particular airdrop because I see the potentials in it. So coming to the friend part, I think I've explained this. Yes, I've also explained this. So if you got value from this video and you want to get more updates on this airdrop, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop off some videos. See you guys on my next video. Peace.